And straight to the point. Yeah, thank you, Pastor Nap. So, again, welcome to the next stop, Philippines, a project pioneer. So, we are inviting everyone here in the Philippines po to join a multi-billion dollar opportunity in the Philippines po. So, ngayong gabi, yun po yung ipapaliwanag natin, no? Na kung saan we have all the advantages po, no? Na kung saan napakaganda pong pag-uusapan natin, especially po yung produkto na available na ngayon sa Pilipinas. So again, disclaimer lang din, since patungkol ito sa pangkalusugan, specifically po pag-uusapan natin isang napakagandang produkto para sa health and wellness po natin. Again, disclaimer lang din, you can read the disclaimer. So results may vary. So this information is for educational purposes only and should not replace professional or medical advice po, no? Again, hindi po ito para ipanggamot, no? At least ang maganda sa produkto natin, all natural po siya and marami na po siyang natulungan. In fact, we have medical doctors already in the Philippines, and in this Zoom, we have available medical doctors din po, no? Nakikinig po sila. So again guys, pinapakilala po natin sa bawat isa yung ating company, no, na New You Life. So yan po yung pangalan ng ating company. It's a US-based hormone health company. So guys, ulitin ko, no, quote and quote, a US-based hormone health company po siya. So I think this is the very first time, no, sa industry po ng health and wellness na nakarinig po tayo ng hormone health company. So, this is the reason, no, why I joined in this company and sell the product, no. Minamarket ko siya dito sa Pilipinas kasi nga po nakita ko yung company wala po siyang katulad, yung produkto very unique po siya. At the same time, may kasama na rin siyang opportunity to make a living po. Yun yung pinaka main reason ko bakit ako sumali po dito. So yung New You Life po was founded in 2017. So kung titingnan nyo po, it's an 8-year-old company. Fastest growing young companies po siya in 2020 na na-featured po yan sa social selling news na kung saan they hit a $1 billion in sales po in their first 5 years. So guys, imagine niyo po yan. Kung yung company nagbenta ng $1 billion po in sales in 5 years, ano po ibig sabihin yan? Hindi po basta-basta yung produkto na meron po sa New You Life. Again, pagdating po sa hormone health and wellness, New You Life po is the global leader po pagdating po dyan. So kaya nga po yung product natin, no, viral, no? Kumbaga pinag-uusapan po siya, talk of the town po siya in 17 countries na po yan. No? And very soon, in a global market, talagang mag-iingay po yung produkto ng New You Life. Kasi nga po, very unique siya. So just to show you guys our headquarters, no, naka-base po tayo sa United States of America, nasa Utah. Lehi, Utah, dyan po yung ating headquarters. And very soon, I think may makakarating po dyan na mga Filipino top leaders. That's for sure po. No? Kasi imagine niyo po, yan yung headquarters na kung saan dyan pumupunta po yung mga leaders, no, in different countries din. Kumbaga, nagtutour din po sila. And of course, tayo as a Filipino, nangangarap din po tayo na makapunta dyan. And Sir Paul said, no, they will gonna invite some of the top leaders in the Philippines also, no, kapag napaputok natin ito sa Philippines. So guys, may office din po tayo sa California, sa Hong Kong, sa Taiwan, sa Thailand, sa Japan, sa Korea, dalawa po yung ating headquarters, and every teams po, they have offices, and we have one in Malaysia also. So guys, kung titingnan nyo po, New You Life, yung kanyang global presence po, 16 countries na po siya, and growing po yan worldwide. So the good news, no, the next stop for New You Life guys is the Philippines. So ito na yung pang 17 countries nila. And last week, no, I've heard to Sir Paul and Sir Alexi that they're gonna open very soon the Vietnam, Cambodia, and Indonesia. Yan. So guys, imagine niyo po yun. So if we have markets, no, kung may mga kakilala tayo doon, so ang laki po ng ating market potential talaga. So yan, kung titingnan niyo po, 17 countries, global presence, global opportunity po yung hatid ng New You Life dito po sa atin sa Pilipinas. So again, ladies and gentlemen, pinapakilala po natin, of course, no, ang ating CEO, no, and product formulator and the founder himself, no, Sir Alexi Goldstein po. So nakapunta na rin po yan ng Pilipinas for many times. And in fact, no, last December, napaka-privilege kasi po nakadaupang palad po natin yan, no, na nakilala po natin, nakabanding natin, nakausap natin, and we found out that this guy is a genius. This guy has a big heart, no, because in fact, nakwento niya nga, he developed over 600 product lines. So, he has helped millions of people in the world na po, no, na kung saan they achieve better health through the product na meron po si New You Life or yung mga din-develop po ni Sir Alexi Goldstein po. Sabi niya nga, more than ever daw, people want to invest in their health. But most of the companies are driven by profit margin. So sabi niya, itinayo ko ang New You Life to stand above the rest. Sabi po niya, I want to offer the absolute best of science and nature to create products that will change the way people age po. No, so imagine niyo po 'yan. So ngayon ang Pilipinas, we're so privileged din. We're so very blessed kasi yung product ng New You Life available na rin po siya. After 8 years, no? Na nag-exist po sila sa market, nakarating na din po siya sa Pilipinas. And of course, no, we have a very strong leadership and support also with these people, no? Sir Tony Tanner po, siya po yung ating Vice President for Global Expansion. Ma'am Catherine Garfield, Global Top Leader, Top Trainer po yan, and fiancé po yan ng ating CEO. And the Diamond Ambassador and number one distributor po yan ng New You Life Global. So imagine niyo po yan, dyan po tayo nakadugtong, and he is our direct sponsor, no? Siya po yung ating direct upline. So I've known Sir Paul for 3 years or more, no? We've been friends for quite some time, we stay in touch nung time pa na nasa iba pa akong mga pagninegosyo. So and then 4 months ago, no, we connected again and sabi ko nga, i-check ko nga ulit itong company na to. So imagine niyo po, ito po yung taong nangungulit sa atin. So uh, very humble, no, yung humility but a big heart, no. Thank you Sir Paul, no. And in fact, andito po siya sa Zoom call natin. So every time na meron tayong Zoom presentation, he's always present. No? Imagine niyo po yan. Gumigising pa po yan ng maaga. So ngayon guys, medyo konting review lang din. Flashback tayo, some sort of education. Pag-usapan natin yung product. Pero bago po dyan, konting flashback lang. So let's talk about aging. Right? So ito yung pinag-uusapan ngayon pagdating sa pangkalusugan, no, yung health and wellness is yung the way people age po. Sabi nga, we cannot stop aging. It's inevitable po. But, no, there are so many ways naman on how we can slow it down. So ngayon, are we ready ba to experience the graceful aging and true life balance through the product na meron po sa New You Life? So did you know guys, no, that our hormone plays a vital role in our health and well-being? So ngayong gabi, you will gonna learn po and discover how hormone affects everything in your body. So ito po yung specific na topic na pag-uusapan natin na meron po dito sa New You Life, no? Sino po nakarinig dito ng hormone, no? What I mean is, may idea ba kayo? Sige nga, tingnan natin. Do you have an idea, guys, what this hormone is all about? Sige nga po, tingnan natin sa chat box. Kasi ako po, sobrang babaw po yung knowledge ko about hormones. So akala ko lang hormonal imbalance, irregular yung menstruation, yung mga hormonal imbalance sa katawan po natin, no? Kumbaga, ang babaw po ng aking pagkakaalam about hormonal imbalance. But through New You Life po, no, tinulungan niya po tayo na ma-educate po. Yan. Ma-educate po tayo kung ano ba itong hormonal imbalance na to. Wherein, guys, whether you like it or not, nangyayari po ito sa katawan po natin. Hormonal imbalance, no, and the natural decline of the HGH, no, yung human growth hormone na to, can lead to chronic and degenerative conditions over time. So ito pala yung sabi, no? So hindi natin ito pinapansin. So guys, as your hormones decrease daw, your bodies begins to experience noticeable changes such as low energy and fatigue, weight gain and slower metabolism, poor sleep quality, reduced muscle mass and strength, increased body fat, decreased bone density, and reduced vitality and libido. So, nararanasan nyo na po ba ito, guys? Sige nga, can you comment on the chat box number 1 kung nararanasan nyo na po ito? Sige nga po. O baka ako lang po nakakaranas nito. Low energy and fatigue yan. Sobrang nararanasan po natin yan sa ngayon. Weight gain, slower metabolism. Sige nga, comment number 1 nga po kung nararanasan nyo po. Para at least, yan, okay, of course, Kuya Andy, nararanasan na. Sir Erwin, Sir Philip. Yung iba po, hindi nyo po nararanasan ito. Malalakas po kayo, no? Sige, ilan ba tayo dito? Ayan, 14 tayo. Ayan. So si Sir Andy lang, si Sir Erwin, and si Sir Philip lang yung nakakaranas. Ito yung iba po, hindi kayo nakakaranas ng low energy and fatigue. Sige, hintayin ko yung iba. Okay. Yan, si Ma'am Denny nakakaranas din po. Yan, at least, no, nakikita po natin, no, baka kasi mamaya nagsasalita po tayo, baka mamaya iba na-disconnect, iba na wala po. Thank you po. Thank you, thank you. So, yun guys, no, sabi nga natin, yes, no, so, kung lahat po ito nararanasan po natin, isa lang po yung ibig sabihin, no? Yung HGH po ng body natin is totally bumabagsak po yan and declining na talaga as we age po. Sabi nga, at the age of 30, pagtungtong mo ng 25 to 30 years old, totally talagang mararamdaman na po natin ito. But here's the good news po. Marami namang mga paraan no, to increase no, the HGH production ng katawan natin. Of course, yung lifestyle, tulog tayo ng maayos, kain tayo ng healthy food, mag-regular exercise tayo. Kaso nga po, hindi na nga po natin yun nagagawa. But the good news guys, there may be a way no, to support your body, to restore the balance, to feel stronger, healthier, and more vibrant again. So pinapakilala po natin yung product ng New You Life na Somaderm Gel. Okay? So guys, kung titingnan niyo po yung product natin, nakabote po yan. So this is the world's first homeopathic transdermal gel po siya. So in short, transdermal, pinapahid lang po yan sa balat. So ang penetration po niya is through the skin po. Doon po sa mga maninipis na parte ng bahagi ng ating balat po sa katawan po natin, doon po yan pinapahid. And in 1 to 2 minutes po, diretso po yan sa ating bloodstream. So ito po yung kauna-unahang hormone no na transdermal gel na available po ngayon dito sa Pilipinas. So the most advanced transdermal formula po siya. It really supports guys no the production of natural human growth hormones sa body po natin. In fact, up to 800% kaya niya pong i-increase. So guys, imagine niyo po. Yung bote po na to, bumenta po ito ng close to 10 million bottles worldwide. So imagine niyo po yan. Kaya nga kung titingnan niyo yung company natin, it's a multi-billion dollar company na po siya. Kasi imagine mo, close to 10 million bottles sold worldwide. And every month, hundreds of thousands of bottles yung lumalabas po sa company natin. Ganun po kalakas yung produkto na to. So guys, idagdag ko din yung product po na to, since matagal na po siya sa merkado, this is trusted by over 5,000 medical doctors and healthcare professionals. We have videos po dyan. At yung mga doctor po, they are really promoting this product. No, hindi lang nila ginagamit, no? Talagang piniprescribe nila ito sa mga pasyente po nila. Listed din po siya sa Physician's Desk Reference if you're familiar with PDR po. FDA product approved po ito. So meron din po siyang third party testing based on safety and efficacy po ng product natin. All natural ingredients po. And guys, they use the Somatech driven technology approach po na ginamit dito. Ano ibig sabihin? You can search this po in Google, no? In YouTube, kung ano ba ibig sabihin ng Somatech. Again, close to 10 million bottles sold worldwide po yan. So ngayon, ano yung mararamdaman mo kapag gumamit ka nito? So again, no, it depends on the state po ng katawan po natin. So yung iba, maganda yung epekto, yung iba mabilis, yung iba it takes weeks, it takes months, and even years din po. So depende po yan sa katawan po natin. So number one, no, better sleep quality po talaga. Kumbaga, hirap ka na makatulog, no? Dito po talagang deep sleep, no? Quality po talaga. Faster injury healing and recovery kasi ginagamit po ito ng mga athletes din way back then, no? And even up to now, ginagamit po ito ng mga athletes. A stronger immune system, improved skin texture and appearance. So guys, the best anti-aging po ito. Better mood and cognitive function, more focus, more clarity, enhanced bone density, improve energy level. So totoo po yan. Fat loss and weight management, nakakatulong po kasi meron siyang detox mechanism din sa body po natin and it will increase muscle mass and strength po. There are so many benefits on top of this guys kasi mararamdaman niyo po yan. No? So yung iba, lumalago yung buhok, kumakapal, yung skin nag-glow, nag-firm. So marami siyang mga health benefits. So holistic po yung approach nito sa katawan po natin. So ngayon, saan siya pinapahid? Paano siya gamitin? So pwede niyo pong ipahid ito underarm, forearms, pwede po sa wrist, and behind the knees po. Basta kung saan merong mga maninipis na skin po no sa parte ng katawan natin, pwede niyo po siyang ipahid. According to Doc Bunny, pwede rin po siya ipahid sa may pusod, sa may singit po, or dito sa may neck, pwede din po doon. Okay? So you can apply 2 full pumps in the morning and 2 full pumps in the evening. So apply 5 days on and 2 days off. May pahinga po siya na 2 araw. Okay? So for intensive use, apply 4 full pumps in the morning and 4 full pumps in the evening, guys. So makikita nyo talaga yung effect din, talagang intensive din po. No, meron akong client, sabi niya, Sir Alan, sinusunod ko talaga yung 4 full pumps ako, tsaka 4 full pumps AM and PM po yon. So pwede nyo rin po gawin yon. Okay? So again, excuse me. So ito po yung mga highest quality ingredients po, ethically sourced po yung mga ingredients natin na yan. So handpick yung mga ingredients and kung titingnan nyo po, yung mga ingredients natin na yan ay meron po yung third-party trials that can really increase the natural growth hormone by up to 800% po. No? So yan po yung mga ingredients. So hindi po yung laman ng bote ay human growth hormone. No, hindi po. So itong mga ingredients na yan guys, they work synergistically po na pag nag-penetrate po yan sa body natin, it will goes to our endocrine system, no? Andyan po yung pituitary, andyan yung thyroid, andyan yung ating adrenals that help to produce our natural human growth hormone. Sila po yung activator. No? They activate, they stimulate, they rejuvenate po. And then magpo-produce po yung body natin ng natural human growth hormone. And here's another good product also available in the Philippines. Somaderm plus AWE po. Guys, napakaganda po nito. Yung product na to, no, tina-target nito, no, yung mga pain. So it's a pain relief or pain management product po. Ano ibig sabihin? Sa mga sakit-sakit po sa katawan natin. For example, if you have headache, migraine, knee pain, back pain, shoulder pain, no? Rheuma, gout, arthritis, guys, ito naman pinapahid siya directly sa pain. So as needed lang po ito ha, pag mayroong pain, pwede niyo pong ilagay. Pero yung ating Somaderm gel, no? Yung blue bottle natin, ito po, daily po yan ginagamit natin. Again, 5 days on, 2 days off po siya. So ito, it really support guys, no, yung ating pain, systematic pain relief po siya. It really help to reduce discomfort guys. 5 to 10 minutes, makikita niyo po yung, mafe-feel niyo po yung difference talaga. Nawawala talaga yung pain. No? Anti-inflammatory product, no? Nakakatulong din po siya sa mga inflammation. Guys, nakaka-uplift din po siya ng mood. Kung yung mga partner nyo, wala sa mood, pahidan niyo po nito. It really support yung focus, no? Guys, nakaka-relax din po siya. Of course, quality yung sleep po natin dyan. It improves your bone and joint health, increase lean muscle and reduce fat. Guys, improve sexual vitality, and overall hormone support balance po siya. Napakaganda po nito. So available na rin po yan sa Pilipinas. And last two products, no? Ito yung, kasi we have 4 products available in the Philippines as of the moment. So we have this Hydrate and Lift po. Yung Hydrate naman natin, no? For hydration and glowing skin po yan. So it will hydrate, it will nourish your skin, no? Fast absorption po yan, natural yung ingredients, soothing formula, and non-GMO po yung mga product natin. So guys, napakaganda nito. You stay fresh, kumbaga, it will help you moisturize your skin, smooth and supple yung skin po natin, and stay hydrated po yung ating balat. Napakaganda din po yan. So ini-spray lang po yan sa muka, pwede rin sa body. Pero syempre, kung titipirin natin, face lang hanggang neck lang tayo. And yung other product is yung lift naman. So ito guys, instant lift po talaga. Makikita mo yung before and after, talagang tanggal po yung eye bags, tanggal po yung fine lines and wrinkles, no? 6 to 8 hours po yan, naglalast. Ano ibig kong sabihin? For example, meron kayong event sa labas, gusto nyo, no? Stay intact yung beauty nyo, yung eye bag nyo hindi lumalabas, guys, talagang nililift po niya. And along the way po yan, habang ginagamit mo siya, magugulat na lang kayo, uy, ba't nawala na yung eye bag ko? Uy, ba't lumiliit na siya? So again, no, yung products natin, Somatech technology-driven po siya. At the same time, all natural. The best anti-aging formula po yan, and it really nourish yung ingredients po sa skin po natin. So in terms of absorption, sobrang bilis po. No? So again, those are the available products, no, na pwede na natin i-market or pwedeng gamitin, i-promote dito sa Pilipinas po. So everyone is taking their position in this fastest breakthrough opportunity launch. So guys, we would like to invite everyone here to be part of a multi-billion-dollar opportunity. Available na po ngayon dito sa Pilipinas. So pagdating naman po sa mga health and wellness success stories natin, guys, we have many testimonies na din dito sa Pilipinas, no? Filipinos. No, they are experiencing now the benefit of the Somaderm. No, makikita niyo po yan. You can join po in our New You Life Facebook community group. We have also group chat din. So doon namin sinisend yung mga testimonies and life balance experiences po ng ating mga users, ng ating mga distributors po dito sa Pilipinas. Okay? So ilan na po tayo sa call? Okay, right now, we are 15, no? 15, guys. If we can make it 30 na the last time, no? We are over 30 na. So let's keep inviting, no? And of course, no, I'd like to acknowledge one of the Diamond Ambassador. Right now, he's here in the Philippines also. Mr. Namdang, no? He's in the call. I saw him, no? He's in the call also. Thank you, Sir Nam, for joining. So I think later on, we will accommodate some of the questions. No? Pastor Nap, tuloy na ba tayo sa opportunity sa compensation plan?
Go ahead, bro. Go ahead. Exciting.
Okay. So tuloy na po tayo, no. So guys, no, I will proceed to the business opportunity. So again, the product is given. We have a very good product. Okay? Of course, Sir Paul is there, no. Later on, Sir Paul, we'll have Q&A po. Yes, thank you, Sir Paul. So, again, no, napakaganda po ng products na meron tayo dito sa Pilipinas. It's very unique, no? Pinapahid na lang po siya, very convenient din. And one of a kind siya, no, in terms of technology. So again, breakthrough product, meet the right opportunity. Now again, hindi na po bago ito sa atin na yung mga magagandang produkto po talaga is na ma-market po siya through the multi-level marketing concept. So bakit multi-level marketing? Because so far, ito yung industry, ito yung konsepto po na very powerful, very unmatched, walang katulad po, and proven pa that has created multi-millionaires all over the globe na. Kaya ako, I'm a very big fan of multi-level marketing. No? Network marketing is so far, no, para sa akin, ano siya level playing field kasi siya equal shared opportunity talaga siya. Kasi bakit? All walks of life nakita ko po dito. So through multi-level marketing guys, we can harnesses the power of leverage, the duplication, creating true time and financial freedom po. Dito lang po talaga natin siya ma ma-experience. No, alam naman natin yon. And dito sa call, no, we have big leaders, we have top leaders in other companies also. They're doing very well, but right now they are here, guys. Why? Because they saw this product, no, which is very unique po talaga. Okay? So again, no, bago ako mag-proceed doon sa opportunity ng New You Life ng Somaderm, just to give you this information, guys. Kung nakikita niyo po yung screen, ito po yung global human growth hormone market. Guys, okay, take a look at the graph. Ganito pala kalaki yung human growth hormone industry. Again, no, pag tinanong nyo ako, right now, wellness revolution is a very big industry among all any other industry, guys. Why? It's a $5.6 trillion industry po. That's why, no, if you're gonna go outside, just look outside, guys. So many big companies, health and wellness stores, no, kaliwat kanan po yan, makikita nyo sa mga malls, no, imagine, no, even in the Philippines, sobrang lalaki po nila. Why? Kasi nakita nila yung market, napakalaki po. So, kasama na po dito, no, yung fitness, yung nutrition, yung sleep, yung mental health, of course, yung mga anti-aging solutions, kasama na po siya. So, and guys, palaki ng palaki pa po yan. So ngayon, yung industry po ng human growth hormone is isa lang po doon. Guys, imagine, year 2026, papalo po siya ng $9 billion in size po itong market na to. Ganon po siya kalaki. And right now, no, nandito nga tayo sa Pilipinas, and for sure, we will make billions of sales din also dito sa Philippines. Bakit? Maraming mga tao gusto lumakas, gusto manumbalik yung sigla, no, yung aging gusto nila medyo bumagal yung pag-edad nila, gusto maging malusog. No, kumbaga kung titingnan natin yung product, may market po talaga. And guys, look at the graph. In the next 5 years to 10 years, papalo po siya ng 25 to $150 billion in size po. Yung human growth hormone market. Sabi nga ni Sir Paul, kahit wala ang New Life, lalaki po at lalaki yung market ng human growth hormone po sa buong mundo. Okay? So ngayon, pag-usapan po natin yung, of course, yung opportunity na ino-offer ngayon sa atin ng New You Life by just promoting the product in the Philippines. So in short, we are the distributors, we are their business partners of this company, and we are the leaders po, no, of the company. So guys, no, imagine an 8-year-old company, they produce already 252 millionaires. Guys, in 8 years, meron ng 252 millionaires po yung company. Take note, 252 millionaires, ibig sabihin po niyan, at least $1 million per year yung kinita po nila. No? So, imaginein po natin yan with that product alone po. So, how to join? How to start? Then we have packages po to start. You can choose po kung anong gusto nyo. You can buy one bottle pack, you can buy the combo, you can buy the 4 bottle pro launch kit, and of course, we have big package din po. So ano yung difference? Guys, ang maganda po dito, most of the people, they start with a combo because they gonna try the Somaderm and the AWE right there and then if they gonna buy the combo. Then if you have a limited budget, guys, you can start one bottle. Gamitin niyo po yan sa sarili niyo then to experience the product. Pero marami rin pong bumibili ng mga malalaking package. So guys, imagine, this is the most saleable package that what we have. We have the 15 bottle pack po, executive package. Most of the people, they choose this package. Why? Because they save big amount of money, discount. So imagine you save $1,264, meaning that's our income already. Imagine $120 per bottles. Other people, they choose the 10 bottle pack, which they save $759, or other, they started with the 8 bottle pack po. But again, you can start from any packages that you can afford to that you're able to start with. Okay? So yan po yung product. So ngayon, meron po tayong mga ranks dito and qualifications. Guys, the beauty of the compensation plan of New You Life is it's a volume-based comp plan. What does that mean, guys? Guys, you don't need to buy packages for you to get the ranks. Because I've experienced in some other companies, in order for them to get the ranks, they buy many, many packages, then all of a sudden they cannot move the products, then here comes negativity flows. So here, let's build it organic. One bottle, you can just try the product, experience by yourself, then let's see what happened. So here we have the qualifications and ranks from promoter, the executive promoter, coordinator, executive coach, life coach, ambassador, down to the diamond ambassador. And guys, you know what? In our team in the Philippines, of course, I'm very proud of the team, the leadership of the team. We produce already like 25 promoters and 1 executive. So what's the meaning of that? Meaning there are people that started already promoting the business. There are leaders already experiencing the beauty of the product. And very soon, we will hit coordinators, of course, coach to life coach, and hopefully we will produce the very first diamond ambassador in the Philippines po, of course, in our team. Of course, with the help of our upline, Sir Namdang, Sir Paul, that will happen. Of course, the management, Sir Alexi. So again, the very first income, number one, you can do retail commissions. So remember, by the time you purchase a pack, you have your own replicated website. You have your own store. You can do business in 17 countries, guys. This is my experience. I just want to share this to you. I have a friend in Canada. She's in pain, she cannot go to work. Then I sent her my website. I told her, hey sister, purchase this product. It will really help your pain, your inflammation. He purchased a combo pack, guys. Imagine, she's in Canada. In fact, I did not know that she purchased already. Then when I open my account, there's a notification that pops up. Hey, Alan, you earned $70 in commission. Guys, imagine that. So that means that our business is seamless. We imagine for a 1 bottle pack, you can start your business global. In short, you have a global presence already. So, for example, in this scenario, retail commissions, guys, you can sign up customers in 17 countries. Take note, not a distributor, but a customer. Even if you register a customer, guys, you're still making money. And we call it retail commission. For example, Sir Namdang, he's in the US, I sent him my link, and then he purchased as a customer and he bought 1 bottle of Somaderm. Guys, I earned $45 on his first purchase. $45. What if, Sir Namdang purchased the next month again? Of course, he's a customer already. And of course, as a customer, he's also entitled to some of the benefits. So when Sir Namdang purchased another bottle of Somaderm, guys, I earned $25 of his succeeding purchase. So imagine if there are 10 people who's doing that every month. So that's $250 every month, guys, from my customers alone. Okay, so that's the beauty of this income, no? Second, we have the first order bonus, or in the Philippines, we commonly know this as a direct referral or yung sponsor bonus. Okay, so remember, we have packages, no? We have packs, no? Every time they purchase one bottle, you earn $20. If they purchase a 4 bottle pack, you earn $60. And if they purchase the executive package, you earn $120. Okay, so take note of this. This is the first order bonus. So you can sponsor as many as you can. No, the more the merrier, guys. No, 20, 60, and $120 per package po yan. Next, we have team commissions. Guys, this is very exciting. Why? Because team commissions, this is the binary. And most of the people, most of the network marketers, we really love the binary concept. Why? It gives so much more of the potentials and the possibility of making good money in this kind of compensation plan. So imagine, by just buying one bottle, how much is one bottle? Like $199 or 12,000 peso, no, in the Philippines. Guys, you have a potential income of buying that one bottle, no? You can earn $20,000 per week if we can really maximize the compla, no, in this team commission. $80,000 per month and $1,040,000 per year. So guys, imagine niyo po yan. And ang beauty dito sa team commission, no flash out, and the volume will be carry over the next production week and the next production month po. Hindi po nawawala yung points. Kasi pinagharapan po natin yan. As long as we are acting po, yun yung kailangan. Okay? So magkano naman per cycle? So ang system natin, of course, may point value sa left, may point value sa right. Now, for example, you have 600 points on the left and 400 points on the right, and vice versa po yan, you earn $40 per cycle po. And what if you hit the rank coach and above, and that's the time you earn $60 per cycle po yan. Okay? So yan po yung team commission, or that's the group volume effort po. Number 4, coaching bonus. Okay. So guys, in New You Life, okay, once we hit the rank, no, starting executive promoter, coordinator, executive coordinator, down to diamond ambassador, you earn a certain percentage po, no, from your direct down to infinity po. Ano po ibig sabihin yan? Every time po na may papasok dyan na mga packages po, no, again, nagsisimula po yan sa direct mo, sa one bottle pack, no, you earn $4, no, which is 20% po yan of the FOB. So magbe-base po ang coaching bonus mo doon sa FOB po ng bawat packages. One bottle pack, $20 po yan. Sa executive, $120 po yan. Kaya po dito uulanin kayo dito ng coaching bonus po kapag na-hit yung executive promoter. Guys, na-experience na po natin. Imagine mo, $4, $4, $4, $24, $24. Guys, that's down to infinity po. No? Until the next rank. Eh, paano kung walang rank? Then you get all the percentage. So imagine mo, guys, if you hit the rank coach, now meaning, you hit executive coordinator, you hit coordinator, you hit executive promoter, that's the time you become a coach. So imagine, you open a new line. You're a coach. And those line, no, there's no rank advancement yet. Guys, you get all the percentage of those ranks, no? From executive coordinator to executive promoter. So meaning, I get 50 to 60 or even 100% of the FOB. Yes, you can get that, guys. As long as there's no rank in between po. Guys, napakaganda po nito. Ang laki ng kitaan po dito sa coaching bonus. Okay, number 5, we have the matching bonus, or in the Philippines, mas kilala po siya leadership bonus. Ano po ibig sabihin? If you hit a certain rank, no, from your first level down to 7th level, guys, malalim po yan. Okay, that's a really deep level now. Once we maximize this, you earn 10% when you hit the coordinator on your level 1. No, for example, Sir Namdang, he's my direct, no, and he made like $1,000. Of course, as a coordinator, I made 10%, no, from his income. Level 2, 10%, 5%, up to level 7, 5% po yan. So malaki po yan. Guys, this is dynamic compression, and spillover is not included po. Of course, from your direct, down the line lang po siya. Okay? Last but not the least po, we have this momentum bonus. Oh, guys, this is very exciting. Of course, ito po yung pinapangarap po natin. No? Na maging coach tayo dito sa Pilipinas. Kasi imagine niyo, of all the compensation plans that we are talking, no? Dito sa momentum, ibig sabihin, parang may pension na ako. So I can use this for my car amortization, for my bills, no, for my rent. Pwede ko po siyang gamitin. Then, life coach, no? For example, the next year, no, medyo nag-momentum, na-hit ko yung life coach, guys, $600 per month ka na po. Until the next 12 month po yan. Paano pag yung ambassador na-hit mo? Guys, $1,000 per month po yan. Paano pag diamond ambassador? Guys, $1,500 per month po yan. So, ibig sabihin, kahit wala ka po sa Amerika, nasa Pilipinas ka po, nagpe-pension po tayo. Guys, on top ito bonus lang po ito. No? So, we have 6 ways to make the benefit po dito sa ating New You Life business. So, again, products available in the Philippines, we have the Somaderm Gel, the blue bottle with the blue cap. No, yan po yung pinaka-flagship natin. This is the most saleable product na meron po tayo. Imagine, close to 10 million bottles sold worldwide po yan. And the second, the AWE po. Napakalakas na product po ito. So imagine sa dalawang product pa lang na to, guys, no? Pwede na po natin ma-max out yung ating compensation plan. So we have 17 product lines available po yan. But in the Philippines, unti-unti po nilang pinapasok yung mga produkto. And narinig ko nga, according to Sir Paul, we have products on the pipelines that is coming. No? So again, we have Hydrate, we have Lift for beauty, for anti-aging, no? Sa mga kababaihan po natin. And just to share you guys some of the promotions of our team. Now, this is the initiative of our team. Of course, no, with the initiative of Sir Paul Capocio, just to help leaders to kick in, to have momentum, para makasuporta din. So, number 1, we have this free subscription po. Ano ibig sabihin? If you join, no, in 30 days, if you refer 3 people, no, in short, you sponsor 3 direct associates, then next month po, free na po yung subscription mo. Meaning, you earn 1 bottle of Somaderm. Ang cost po niyan, $140 po yan. No? Pwede niyo po talaga siyang ibenta. You can sell that for $140 to $150 po. So in short, instant income po yan, and free na po yung subscription mo the next month. Okay? So we have cash bonus din po. Again, team initiative po ito. Pag na-hit niyo po yung executive promoter, ang ganda na po ng income niyo doon, then bibigyan pa kayo ng 5,000 cash bonus and merchandise po. No? Ang gaganda po ng ating merchandise. So 60 days po ito upon activation pag na-hit niyo po yung executive promoter. Next, we have this Apple iPad incentives. So ito naman po, pag na-hit niyo yung coordinator in 60 days po upon your registration, no, pag na-hit niyo yung requirements, guys, ang ganda na po ng income nyo dyan, kumita pa kayo ng free Apple iPad po yan, 11th generation. Okay? Next, we have cash bonus din po of $500. Again, if you hit the coach rank po. Yan. So more or less, nasa 30,000 pesos din po yan. So as long as you hit the requirements po yan, get qualified for 90 days upon your registration po. So, very possible po yan na mangyari po. So again, the very first travel incentive launch po ng team natin, of course, we will go to Thailand. This is a 4 days and 3 nights trip po. If someone will hit the rank coordinator. No? As long as ma-hit po yung requirements na to, yan, at least may active subscription ka po during the period. Nag-start po ito from March 1 hanggang May 30 po. So we have 3 months or 90 days po to hit the rank. So at least 1 year direct every month, any package po yan. And 5,000 volume po left and right po yan for you to qualify po. This is an all expense paid, no? Of course, with the initiative po yan ng ating team po, no? Through Sir Paul. So guys, no, kung titingnan niyo po, actually marami pa tayong mga bonuses coming, no? Especially the Core 5. I think Sir Paul will give you some of the highlights for that. So, patapos na po ako. So guys, no, before I finish, I just want to share this to you. Now, alam ko maraming mga companies. There's so many companies, great companies out there, no? But why choose New You Life? Now, bakit New You Life yung isa sa mga napili natin? Number one, New You Life, guys, is a very stable and sustainable company. They've been in the business for 8 years. Imagine niyo po yan, 8 years. Their first 5 years, they made $1 billion in sales, close to 10 million bottles sold, no, worldwide. And guys, we featured in so many news, magazines, and kung titingnan niyo po yung company natin, talagang wala po ibang pupuntahan kundi global growth and expansion. Imagine, we are now present in 17 countries po. Soon to open Indonesia, Cambodia, and Vietnam, no? So right now, Philippines. So again, pagdating naman po sa produkto, kung naghahanap po kayo na product na very unique, science-driven po yung product natin, of course, effective. And isa po sa pinaka nagustuhan namin dito is tayo po yung kauna-unahan na nagmamarket ngayon sa Philippines ng hormonal product na transdermal po. Bakit? May mga hormonal products naman sa market, especially mga hormone injectables na napakamahal po niyan. Lifestyle medicines and pellets na napakamahal po niyan. And of course, these are performed and prescribed by medical doctors. Pero guys, naka-tiyempo po tayo, no? Nakahanap po tayo ng isang product na pang-hormone pero transdermal, pinapahid na lang po siya. So pagdating naman po sa compensation plan, very simple but yet highly rewarding po yung comp plan niya. Very lucrative. So very basic, no? As long as gumalaw yung produkto, may commissions. May volume, may commissions. If we hit the ranks, we earn commissions. No? Medyo sinipagan pa natin, we have momentum bonus. Eh, ang matindi, may mga team initiatives pa tayo, like yung mga promotions and incentives natin. Guys, pagdating po sa system and leadership po, guys, napakaganda po ng sistema and leadership po natin. No? The support of the company, no? Actually, pabalik-balik po sila, paikot-ikot po sila in 17 countries, no? Just to help the distributors, just to help the market, no? To build, no? They inject some of the promotions, no? Talagang pinupur po nila yung mga supports, incentives, mga promotions po, just to help. No? Of course, we have a regular Zoom call, we have a leadership call with Sir Paul and the management, no? Nakita naman po natin 'yon. Sir Alexi, Sir Stony, no? Ini-invite din po natin sila sa Zoom call. And guys, no, the last but not the least po, no, of course, yung timing. So why New You Life? Because guys, this is the best time for us to start in the Philippines po. Alam niyo kung bakit? Kasi we are one of the pioneers po. So let's position ourselves po ahead of the curve. This is our opportunity, guys, to be part of an expanding movement and build the early momentum in a fastest growing global business. So yun lang, guys, no? Hopefully nakita niyo po yung ganda po ng ating company, nakita niyo rin po yung compensation plan, no? Napakasimple lang pero pag tinrabaho naman po natin, talagang maganda po. So sige, baka may mga katanungan po kayo, no? If you have questions or clarifications or suggestions, sige po.
Excellent, excellent job, Alan. Fantastic job. Hey guys, I just wanted to do a favor. Like we have been working very hard. Many of you know that we're at the event and I want you to think of your question, guys. Now is a great time. But I wanted to introduce Nam to you. And Nam can work together as partners and bring everyone together who's building in the Philippines. So that means no matter what we're doing in the Philippines, we're going to make sure that we are unified and together. I think Sir Alan is going to help Nam, and Nam is going to help Alan, and we're just going to create a true family like Alexi wants us to do. Nam has been instrumental in exploding in Vietnam, and I don't even know the numbers that we have in Vietnam right now, but he is in Vietnam on a regular basis. He comes back and forth to the Philippines on a regular basis, and from there, I want to make sure that everyone can expand internationally. The number one export from the Philippines is the hardworking Philippines people. So let's make sure we know that in Canada, in the US, everywhere. Hi, everyone. Nam, I'm going to introduce you in a second. I want you to say a few words. But it looks like you guys are in the Philippines right now. So we got some great things going on. They're taking pictures right now. So here's what I want to say before Nam is ready. Alan spoke about $5.6 trillion industry in network marketing, in health and wellness, in human growth hormone. How much of that $5.6 trillion are we going to gain for the Philippines? How much of it are going to make sure that we share the message in the Philippines? Here's another thing I want to tell you. Our numbers in 2024, we grew over 20% as a company for that year. 20% we grew. So I was in Utah, and I'm not even sure if Nam knows this yet, but in Utah, when we had the advisory board meeting, they went through for the 2025 numbers of growth. I want to tell you that our growth numbers for 2025 was 56.4%. The company grew, more than doubled in 2025. I don't care what you see on the internet, what you see from people talking, no company has grown like that in 2025 in 1 year. 56.4%. This also leaves North America, which is our slowest growing percentage, wide open. And we know that in Canada, in Mexico, and in the United States especially, there are tons of people from the Philippines that are living, working, and sharing here. And we also know that the average age for Somaderm is 45 years old, which is the biggest growing market and the market with the money. So I'm not going to talk about Core 5 yet, but I want to tell you that there's some big things coming. I'm going to end with it, but I want to let Nam say a few words, not only about what he's created in Vietnam and what he started doing in the Philippines, but the fact that we are now all aligned to work together to help everyone grow. Nam, would you mind saying a few words?
Mr. Paul, this is my honor. Hello, everybody. This is my honor, my great honor to be here with you, Mr. Paul. I'm glad to see you again, Mr. Paul. Everyone, Mr. Paul is someone that I always admire since day one because how much his contribution to this journey, to this company, to set the route for all of us to do what we can. My voice is a little break up is because I have a little emotion right now with whatever Mr. Paul and all other leaders been doing for us. So Mr. Paul, deeply from the bottom of my heart, thank you so much. Secondly, this is the first time I join all of you, so I would love to say hello to all of you and guarantee from today, I would love to know you more. I want to know your name. I want to know your backgrounds. I want to know what can do. I want to know what is your better to help you to plan and to conquer and to achieve what you are capable of. I'm also impressed with Alan. This is the first time I heard your presentation. This really impressed me. Very, very impressed. And the way you speak, Mr. Allen, I want to re-sign up. I want to sign up again. Okay. Very, very amazing. Everyone's New You Life is different. New You Life is one of the kind. I talk to you from all the bottom of my heart. This is not just another opportunity. It's not. It's not. This is my first time in MLM. New You Life is my first company. But I've been talking to lots of leaders just like you. I see lots of company just like you. I see lots of people struggle. I see a lot of people, great people, very talent. The MLM is flowing. They keep saying that they don't see the success coming. Why? I consider you are all the good seed, but in order for you to grow, you need the good soil. And New You Life is definitely the great soil for all of us. Yeah, you are listening to the guy who has zero networking experience and can be the first Vietnamese American diamond in the whole company. I can do it, guys. You all can do it. Trust me on that. Mr. Paul. Mr. Paul is $1 million circle. Do you know what it means? And Alan is right. The company New You Life until today already hit the milestone of 1 billion US dollars. And New You Life will continue to conquer the next billion US dollars. Okay. Mr. Paul is one of the $1 million circle. It means the pay number 3, the team commission. Mr. Paul already hit that $20,000 a week. That's what it means for $1 million circle. Okay. And the company is already hit the $1 billion, already hit the first $1 billion, and now we are in the second $1 billion. And why we are here? Because we want to take you to also achieve the health and the wealth together with us. For Philippines market, no question asked. Please don't ask Philippines market you will have Philippines market or not. Don't ask that question anymore. Just ask that when Philippines market will be officially announced. And ask yourself how many people will under you. Okay. Guys, we are in the right company. In order to be success, we have to have all these 5 keys. 5 keys. Number 1 is the company. Mr. Allen did a very good job on explaining to you why New You Life is unique. The secondly, we have the very unique products. I just don't call it the products. I call it the solution. Talking about hormone, we only have 2 solutions. The first solution is the injection. The second solution is our Somaderm. The solution. And the whole world don't have the third one, only 2. And we are the natural one. Okay? No one else have it. Until today, New You Life and Somaderm is still the world's first and only solution for the natural hormone health. Okay? The third one is the Calmland. I talk to a lot of people. I see a lot of Calmlands. They look good on the paper. I can tell you right now, they look good on the paper. They promise that they're going to pay you a lot of money. But have you ever asked the question, do they have the money to pay? I promise you, I pay you $1 million, but do I have $1 million to pay? New You Life have that potential, have that ability. Okay. The third one is the support. You see Mr. Pause here, but I just shared with you. He's gonna take you to be achieving the next $1 million milestone. And all you need to do is just give the better the benefits of doubt. What if you don't make it? Right? Did you lose anything? But what if you trust Mr. Paul, you trust Mr. Allen, and you follow exactly what they tell you to do, no more, no less, and you achieve what you deserve? How do you feel? Right? And then the fifth one is actually very important, is about you. Will you see what we see? Will you commit, not for me, not for Mr. Paul, not for Sir Alan? You commit for yourself. We have all this. We have all these guys. Let's do it together. Let's do it together. In New Life, it's not like your team or my team. It's not Mr. Paul or Nam team. No, we are in the same family. I promise you, I do whatever it takes. I do whatever I can to help you success. And this is just the beginning. Thank you. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you, Mr. Paul. Thank you, Sir Alan. Thank you so much. Thank you. Oh, by the way, I just helped the team to close two sales, 60,000 pesos each, 100% success. So very good
Beautiful.
one. Thank you
Nam,
so
thank
much.
you
Thank
so
you.
much. Congratulations. That is amazing. And I can't wait to see you on the 26th at the Crown Plaza. We're going to have everybody unified together as one family, one team. This is great. Fantastic. Alan, any thoughts? But I want to make sure we have some questions because someone must. Was one thing I'm disappointed about. I always tell you that every time we get 30 people or more on the call, I'm willing to give something away. Last time we did that, we gave away six lift. Six lift for free. So let's make sure we're filling the call. And the beauty of this call is that you don't have to present. Sir Alan is probably one of our best presenters that we have, and he's really just started new. He's very, very precise, very accurate. The best slides, I think, in the entire industry, not only in the industry, but in New Life. The slides are excellent. Slides are excellent slides. We have over 17 countries. We're close to 20 countries, real believe it or not, right now that we're dipping our toe in the water as we speak. There's something exciting coming out. It's called Core 5. Now, I'm not really supposed to talk about it, but Nam and I are friends, so he won't tell Alexi what we're talking about. Also, I was at Alexi's house the other day. In fact, Alan, you had a chance to speak to Alexi directly again the other day about Core 5. And Core 5 is a very simple duplication system that we've come up with. We launched it at the ambassador meeting, and now all of our leaders, myself, Nam, Alan, we're going to teach it to you. But right now, let me give you a secret. Imagine you come in and you bring in 5 people who stay active in your business. You will receive $150, and that will go towards your maintenance or go towards an extra product or go towards being able to sign someone else up. Then when you teach 2 people to do Core 5 in your first 5, you're going to make $250 every month, regardless of the comp plan. This is over and above what Alan was teaching you on the comp plan, the coaching bonus, the check match, the momentum bonus. You can get up to $1,500 a month. We're going to guarantee $400 per month if you get your 5 and help 2 people get their 5. Guess what? We're doing that over and over again in the Philippines already anyway. We got about 120, 130 people right now, and there's many of you who do that. So starting a certain date, I'm going to try to get the date for you, but we're going to have a pre-launch. I'm hoping April 15th or April 20th, you could start building your next 5 because this is going to work from your next 5 forward. But imagine doing that. And what I'm going to do is we're going to change some of my promotions because I'll come up with a new promotion because the Core 5 is so powerful. So remember, it's you getting your first 5. That's going to guarantee you $150 over and above the comp plan. That's to be used towards your maintenance. And then another $250. That's a total of $400 per month guaranteed as long as you maintain that team. Over and above your cycle bonus, over and above your team commissions, over and above your customer commissions. And we know, speak to Sir Alan, we have a way, even though we technically don't have a customer program in the Philippines, we technically do have a customer program in the Philippines. So let's make sure we're doing that. Also, don't forget to expand outside the country. So Alan, I want to give it to you because we've had people on for about an hour and a half already. Alan, any final thoughts, or are there any questions from the field that we can answer? Because here's what I want to tell you. Whatever you want in life, there's other people who want it too. Okay? So believe in yourself enough to accept the idea that you have an equal right to the success that you see in other people. You have the same right to success that everyone else does. But remember, other people want it too. We want to help you get there first. So, Sir Alan, if you would take us out.
Yeah, thank you, Sir Namdang, and thank you, Sir Paul. Pastor Nap, I think Pastor Nap will close the call. Pastor Nap, you want to say
Oh,
something,
beautiful.
Pastor Nap? Pastor? Oh, I think Pastor Nap is not. Pastor Nap, are you there?
Yes. Good evening, everyone. Good evening. Hey, Brother Namdang. Good evening. Good evening to all our leaders. Keep on trying inviting people. Yes, in the beginning it's not easy, but behold, we can still build up the momentum. Because this is the greatest opportunity that we have in the Philippines as a pioneering. We are in the pioneering stage, and this is the opportunity. Every opportunity, is always not easy to do, but it is doable. That's why when people are saying network marketing is easy to do, don't believe it. It's not easy, but doable. That is the most important things. It's not easy, but we can do it as long as everybody is. Let us hold hands together and let us keep build the momentum. And of course, let us promote on this coming April 26. Let us start promoting it so that we can bring more people in that great event with our team from USA. And also, Brother Namdang, are you in Philippines?
Yes, I am.
Oh,
I
very good.
cannot
Thank you
wait to
very
see
much.
you.
Yeah. So you are now a Vietnam.
Thank you,
Philbit.
Pastor.
Vietnam.
Thank you.
Thank you very much, Brother Alan. Thank you very much.
Yeah, thank you very much, guys. So, Sir Paul, Sir Namdang, thank you. Pastor Nap, thank you po sa lahat. So, let's keep in touch po. Good night, everybody. Good night
Good
po.
night. Alan, great job. You are an amazing leader. Thank you so much for everything you do. And I'll see everyone around the 25th to the 26th. Crown Plaza, start promoting. Remember, last time we were there, we had
Yeah.
over 100 plus people there. I need another 100 plus people there just from this team. Okay? Let's do it, guys.
Support.
Let's
I
we're
can
gonna make
see
it a
this
fun
already.
time.
Support. I can
What's
see that
that,
already.
Nam?
I can really see that support. The April 26th coming, the coming April 26th is very, very special, guys.
Very special,
Pack it
right?
up,
It's going to be the
pack it up.
coming
Okay.
together. It's going to be the coming together. So long,
Yes.
guys.
Thank
Love you guys.
you. Good
Good
night.
night.
Thank you, everyone.
Thank you.
Good night.
Thank you.
Good
Bye-bye.
night.
Bye-bye.